How to fix Instagram video call not working problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Instagram video call not working problem. So guys, I will show you the tips and tricks, the easy tricks. So what you have to do is just go to the channel and just subscribe the channel, and if you like the video just hit the like button, and you can share the video if someone needed the video. So let's get started to the video. So now you have to go to your phone settings. Go to phone settings. Sorry, you have to go to your phone settings, and then you have to go to apps or install apps or app management or app manager, anything what you have in your phone. I have app management. You can see here app management, so I will go to app management and then scroll down, check out for Instagram. Here is it. I can see the Instagram. You have to go to Instagram, and guys, what you have to do is you can see here a button called force stop button. Just click here, and you can see here force stop. You have to click on force stop, and then now you can see here storage uses. You can see here storage uses. You have to click here again, and then you have to clear all the data and all the cache here. You have to clear everything here. Just press here, and then you have to clear this cache also. So now go back, and you can see here permission button. Just click to permission and allow all the permission here, as I have already allowed it. So I'm doing this just to help you out, just to make you the things clear, just to make you the problem to be solved. So I have already did. So now go back and check it out whether your problem has been solved or not. So if the problem doesn't work, then what you have to do is go to Google Play Store, search for Instagram. Here you can see here Instagram, and guys, check whether your Instagram is asking for an update or not. If they are asking for an update, you have to update it as soon as possible. You have to update it, and then you can check it out, your connection, your video calling is working or not, video calling is working or not. So I hope this video will help you out for the solution. So thanks for watching, and please do hit the subscribe button.